Look at this guy. He's straight out of church.
Damn.
You look like an Amish.
So dressed up, man.
He's ready for prep school.
Hey, what's up, guys? I am Jonathan Davis, also known as Skitzo FPV.
Dang, we're brothers, right?
That's right. We do have the same last name. I'm reminded of that on a daily basis. Today we're going to go over the S-turn, which is a very simple acro maneuver that's just fun to incorporate in all your runs. It's basically when the quad, you thrust up, go into a half roll inverted, and then you dive under or in between something, and it just looks awesome. We're going to do a basic S-turn first. So we're going to go up over the target with your throttle. We're going to let off the throttle. You're just going to roll and ease up on the pitch.
And increase throttle.
And increase throttle. It's all about throttle control. Most tricks are, actually. On the chop throttle, you'll see I'll go ease into it as I'm pitching. Then you can do these kind where you carry the momentum of your quad. This will take a half roll really quickly. And then you do the same thing. You ease into your throttle.
But you apply a lot more throttle to get that upward momentum, right?
That is correct, yeah. If you want to approach your target, we'll do it slow here, and we'll just ease up on the throttle, do a little roll. I like to throw a little bit of yaw in there too, and then you're going to ease in the throttle and pitch up at the same time. This time we're going to carry it over. You're really going to thrust into it though. Carry the momentum of the quad. This requires you to drop throttle entirely. I like to throw a little yaw in there for fun. But the main thing is throttle management. You want to just make sure that you ease into the throttle and the pitch at the same time. You really want to play with them at the same time. You're adjusting those as you're coming out of the turn. Air mode, the biggest thing to focus on is throttle control. That's probably the thing I practice on the most. You have to really get acclimated with your quad and just know exactly how much thrust you need to do a really smooth, arc.
Like it would probably be a lot different on a 6-inch quad versus a 5-inch quad.
Yeah, you have more bottom end and less top end, so it doesn't take quite as much to control a drop. Yeah.
Thanks.
High five.
Yes, sir.
Like, subscribe, and share all the things. And if you see Charlo is so sick. I love Charlos. If you see Charlos, stab him with something fluffy, like a feather.